In today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can actually create African folktale stories like this that goes viral and fetch a lot of views on TikTok. The crazy part of it is this: all these content creators that you are seeing that is actually creating this kind of content are really making it big on TikTok and Facebook. And in today's video, from scratch to finish, I'm going to teach you how you should be able to create something like this using free AI tools only on your Android smartphone. So if you are interested, all you need to do is just to stay with me from very start to the end of this video. Subscribe and turn on notification sign to this channel so that you always get notified whenever what I drop an amazing tutorial video. So in today's video, what I'll be doing basically is this: I'm going to teach you how to come up with a viral story idea. That's one. Two, I'm going to teach you how to generate your script. When I mean script, a detailed script that can actually go viral when you've created your story. Then thirdly, I'm going to teach you how you can convert that your script into a full dialogue video. Then lastly, I'm going to teach you how to generate a super realistic, consistent image character all through your story. So if you are interested to learn all this stuff, all you need to do is just stay with me from very start to the end. Grab your pen and paper because you will be learning a lot and you'll be jotting a lot that will actually help you become pro or guru on AI storytelling. Let us dive into the full tutorial video, guys. For you to be able to generate your stories, you need Cloud AI, not ChatGPT. ChatGPT will always give you a shallow stories, like it will not give you a detailed story. But Cloud AI will give you a very perfect story. So whenever you want to generate your script or any script at all, always use what? Or you always use Cloud AI. So when you come to your Cloud AI now, this is the first prompt you need to paste. So I'm going to click on this my mic button here. Do you see that? So I'm going to click on this mic button here and then tell Cloud AI what I want with it. So you are a professional storyteller on YouTube who has been writing stories for 10 years on YouTube. I want a real life modern happening story titles that will look real and not robotic. Don't forget, I am creating this story because I want to go very, very viral on YouTube, TikTok, and on Facebook. So then after that, I'm going to send this stuff here on Cloud AI. Now let me see the response that Cloud AI will actually give me. Now look at what Cloud AI said. Here are 25 viral wordy modern story titles that feels raw, real, and human. Amazing. So under betrayal, as you can see, Cloud AI has done the category of it, like it has classify the stories according to its listing. This is why I say that Cloud AI is actually the best. So according to this betrayal, you have this: my husband's second phone fell down of his pocket and I realized the contact name. Then I found my best friend wedding dress in my boyfriend's car. They said it was a coincidence. Do you see? So these are the titles that we have here. So what you need to do is just to go through this title and then pick the particular one you want to work with. So as you can see here, so I think I'll be going for what? A fake date, my co-worker. Okay, let me pick the first one that says my husband this thing. So I'm going to come to this place. Then what I'm going to tell chat this AI is this: generate 5 story chapters with 2 well-detailed paragraphs representing each chapter. Use simple English and real name while generating the story. Use real name places in Lagos for the story. And I'm choosing story 1 under betrayal and shock. Now, after you've gotten this stuff now don't forget, the reason I say this AI should generate 5 story chapters is because I am generating, like, I want to generate something that will be long, like 10 minutes upward or something. And don't forget that if you want to get a very long story, all you need to do is just to increase the chapters you'll be getting from that particular story. So as you can see, so I'm going to send this stuff on Cloud. Let me see if Cloud actually understood my instruction. Now look at what it says. The husband's second phone fell out of his pocket and I recognized the contact name. Now this is the story. The story has started chapter 1, the perfect life I was proud of. So now as you can see, this is chapter 2. Then chapter 3 is coming up. Now after you've gotten your story now, then the next thing you need to do is to convert your script into what? Dialogue. Since it's dialogue that everybody wants to do now. So
Let's just exercise patience for this story to generate. Then we are going to tell Cloud AI to convert the entire script into a dialogue story. It's very easy, it's not difficult. So this is 4, and here is the chapter 5. Okay, now, so after you've gotten your chapter 5, the next thing you need to do is to click on this mic again and then tell this particular Cloud AI what you want to do again. So here I'm going to tap, now Cloud AI, I want you to convert this script into a full dialogue story. Don't forget, a full dialogue story. Indicate the names and then generate the dialogue scene by scene until you get to the end of this particular story. And don't forget, I need simple English only, and please make the dialogues to be max of 6 seconds because of the AI I'll be using to convert them into a talking photo. Now it is clear, all the AIs out there, max you can actually do with your video is 6 seconds. So you have to include that here on Cloud AI. So Cloud will actually understand, how to like break down your dialogue so it will contain 6 seconds in a particular clip. Because if you do not do this stuff like this, you will realize that your your video your image will be converted to video, but the talking stuff will not, like, it will not contain the talking stuff. Like, the character will still be talking, but your video has ended. That's actually because you did not indicate at the beginning that each of your scene should be max of 6 seconds. That was why I included that here. Then I'm going to send this off. So let's see if Cloud AI should be able to do that for me. So now look at what Cloud AI says. Okay, now Cloud AI has done that. This is the story of Adaeze Okonkwo. Now here is the narrator. Adaeze, Emeka, your food is on the table. Then Emeka, thank you, baby. You are the best wife in Lagos. Are you seeing the conversation? Adaeze laughed. In Lagos, try in the whole of Nigeria. Emeka laughed too. Okay, the whole of Nigeria, come here. It's just a playful something, and this is it. So this is the whole of this thing for chapter 1, and here is for chapter 2, here is for chapter 3. This is chapter 3 till it gets to the end. Now, as you can see, the whole of this script now, I've been able to convert it into what? Into a full drama dialogue story. This year I was able to get that done, and you too can equally do the same thing. So it's not difficult at all. You get, it's not difficult. And please, if you've watched this video to this particular length and you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Just hit that red button, subscribe, and turn on notification sign so you always get notified whenever I drop an amazing tutorial video like this. So after you've gotten your dialogue now, then the next thing now is to create your image prompt for this particular story. So you have to come down to this place. Then click on the mic again and then tell Cloud AI how you want your images to be. Now this is how to go about your image prompt. Okay, thank you for converting my story into a full dialogue. Now I want you to generate a hyper-realistic image prompt for each of the characters in the story. And don't forget to make each of the characters prompt unique by adding their age, dressing code, hairstyle, face structure, and body build with skin color. Now, very, very importantly, I want the images to look luxurious and well polished. So make sure to indicate a consistent image character prompt all through this particular story. It is very, very important because I don't want at any point for my images to actually miss face or change face. You see that I am always detailed when I'm giving this particular Cloud AI my instruction. So I explained everything here for him to understand, because I believe that with this particular stuff now, this AI actually understood what I want. So I'm going to hit on generate now. As you can see, the prompt definitely will come up here. So look at what it said. Master consistent instruction. Copy and paste the full character seed prompt every single time you generate an image for that character. Never change the physical description, only change the scene, background, lighting, and emotion. Now, this is a very important lesson here. Now, let me just make this stuff clear to you guys. To all who do not know how to come up with a perfect consistent images, or who do not know how to maintain consistent images, this is the best way to maintain consistent images. Make sure that your basic prompt is always consistent. Then the only thing that you'll be changing is the action prompt. Your basic prompt is like those words that describe how the character is, the clothes, the hairstyle, the skin color, and the rest of that. While your action prompt is what the character is actually doing. The background, the dressing, this thing, you can change that, but don't touch the face. That's actually what this prompt is actually trying to say here. So then after that, let's go deeper to see. Now look at this locked character seed prompt. This is locked character seed prompt. Now, okay, so this is for okay, this is for Ade as a seed prompt. Then this is for this man, Mr. Emeka. This Emeka Okonkwo prompt. So if you want to generate images here now, all you need to do is just to be copying this stuff one after the other. So when you copy this, you go to flow and generate your image. When you copy this, you go to flow and generate your image. So after you've gotten your images now from flow, now you can now be merging those characters together with that particular image you've generated at first. So that's the only way you can actually maintain consistency. So as you can see, we've gotten everything. Now let's just check how these images will actually look like on flow. So I'm going to copy this. So when you copy this, then you open your Chrome browser. So when you open your Chrome browser, head straight to flow, and then let's see how the image will actually look like. So come here and search for flow, then click on the first link or the second link. It will take you to flow. So once your flow has opened like this, don't forget to always click on this new project. So when you click on the new project, then it's going to take you straight to the main interface where we'll be generating our image. So once this stuff has opened like this, always remember to look at this place and then do the necessary settings. So I'm going to tap on this place. I'm not generating video, so I have to select my image. Then it should be on 16:9. Then let me make it 2 images. Then this Nano Banana Pro should be there because I want Nano Banana Pro to be there. Then here now, I'm going to paste my prompt, which is this. So after you've pasted, you click on this generate. Now let's see the outcome, or let's see how this image will actually look like. Okay, now as you can see, the image is generated. So look at the image we have here. You see that? So do you see how realistic this image is actually looking? So this is just how to go about creating, your story or converting any of your story into a full dialogue. It's not difficult. You see, I was able to get that done. But if you want one-on-one tutorial on how to do it, DM me and I will definitely teach you. But it's not free. Catch you guys on my next tutorial video, guys, and bye for now. Now if you want to convert these images into video, it's very easy. Then download this image and then take it to any image to video app, then bring in your dialogue, place it, and these images are going to show where the dialogue actually has. So that's just it basically. Thank you and bye for now, guys.